On the first day, we got to do some cool science experiments to learn about observation.
It's dimming down. The flame is, the wick is going down, so it's getting less of a flame. Anything else? Is it a candle?
Then we learned how to collect weather data. Afterwards, we got a quick lesson on what climate is and why it's important.
We also visited Rio's Bend, and we learned how they use the data they collect from the turtles to analyze the climate in the area.
Our group learned all about solar power.
We did research on how solar panels work and how they're used.
Then we got to make our own solar-powered devices.
We also visited solar panels at the Oak Ridge National Laboratory, and we also saw the UT Solar House at the Children's Museum of Oak Ridge.
We then got to see the Technologies Research and Integration Center at the ORNL to learn how they do research with solar panels to make appliances more efficient.
We visited the Oak Ridge National Laboratory and got a quick look at the historic graphite reactor.
We also visited the Leadership Computing Facility to learn about ORNL's supercomputer and even try out a cool simulation.
Then we visited the Spallation neutron source to learn how they used neutron scattering for material research.
Our group did research about biofuels and its different uses.
During this week, we got to make our own biofuels. We used sunflower, corn, peanut, and soy oil to see which one burned the most efficient.
We
We made our own mixtures, then used LabQuest to measure the temperature of the water to see how well our fuel burned.
We also visited the National Transportation Research Center. Our group learned all about wind energy.
We got to make our very own wind turbines and then put them to the test to see who could generate the most power.
My blade design was able to produce the most power in our classroom tests.
During the week, we visited Buffalo Mountain to see the real wind turbines. Carl Eierman met us and answered all of our questions about how wind turbines work.
We also visited NOAA to test our turbines in a real-world wind tunnel. A lot of them broke, but it was a lot of fun to test them out. And even though Mallory produced the most power in the classroom, I produced the most at NOAA, generating over 650 milliwatts of power.
Amazing.
Fun.
Entertaining.
Awesome.
Swagtastic.
I want to learn more about science and maybe become a neurosurgeon.
I've recently gotten into astrophysics a little bit.
I want to be a lawyer.
In the future, I am interested in math and science, and I might become a teacher of some sort.
It's a life-changing experience and it's really fun.
I learned a lot more about science that I didn't know before.
Well, it was pretty fun. Whenever I first got here, I kind of thought it was going to be a long week, but I ended up having a lot of fun.
You couldn't have given me time to think about these questions?
This group of students from across the Appalachian region came with the intent of learning about climate change and different forms of alternative energy, but they left with much more. New memories, new friends, and an experience they will never forget. All thanks to the sponsors, groups, and individuals who helped make this happen. From all of us, thank you.